Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you need to have Vanguard running to play League of Legends. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. First step, you just need to click on the system tray, and if Riot Vanguard is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. After that, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select uninstall a program, find Riot Vanguard. Just right click on it and select uninstall, select yes. After uninstalling it, you just need to close stuff here and open up Riot client. Select the League of Legends. Select the update option to install Riot Vanguard. After getting installed, and you just need to close stuff here guys. Don't restart your PC. And second step, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to search for VGC service, double click on it. Startup type, set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type system configuration. Click on open it. Select services tab and find VGC service. Check mark the VGC service and go to startup tab and select open task manager. In here you just need to find Vanguard service guys, vgtray.exe. Just right click on it and enable it. And now you just need to find Riot client. Just right click on it and enable it. After enabling both, you just need to close stuff here. Select apply and OK. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the League of Legends without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.